Hey, yeah. My gangster gon' hang on my dreadhead. Run a K100 like long legs. They ain't talking no money, I'm on that. Move that weight out of gym like it both flags. You can turn up the party with more weight. They put stone in the car and I own that. I don't play with no kids, I'm a grown man. Then a 20 on 2 Tony Rolex.
Welcome back. Today we have an unboxing. And as you can tell, I'm a little bit happy. This is the Alienware Area 51M. For those that don't know what that is, this is Alienware's new top of the line laptop. It has desktop components which can be replaced. So let's get right into the unboxing. We'll go into the details into another video. Okay, look, I'm going to be a little childish about this because I wanted to preserve the packaging just in case they sent me the wrong thing, but oh. Yeah, we're just going to throw that over there. We don't really care about that. Look at that. It's an A51 there. Damage on the box, so we'll see what type of condition it's in. All right, I have a knife to cut tape, but there was no tape. All right, so what do we have here? All right, this particular laptop has 2 power supplies. This one is going to be the 240 watt. And this one is going to be the 180 watt. Nothing else in that section. Let's get the beast out. Oh, it's a little thicker than what I thought it was going to be, actually. Oh, wow. So there's the 2 power plugs. This is the proprietary jack for the Alienware amplifier. HDMI. Oh, I don't like that it only has the small D-Link port. And there's the Ethernet adapter. There's the cooling solution. The honeycomb style. Okay. The texture feels really nice. Very good. So we're going to set this aside. We're going to take a look at what else is in here. Okay. Yeah, we don't do that. It's all in there. What's all this in there? Okay, well the packaging is pretty. Not much else to see inside.
It smells like a nail salon.
So we're gonna put that over there. My daughter has something to say. What does it smell like?
A nail salon.
Oh. Nah, I disagree.
The box smells like a nail salon.
Okay, so this is very plasticky here. I'm not a real big fan of that. It doesn't weigh a lot. I like the bezel design. A little bit more clickier than what I thought. It's a real sturdy build. That's aluminum or metal. Looks like we have some vents there as well for cooling. Alright, and on our side here we have 2 USB ports on this side. One USB port here, Ken's lock, a USB Type-C, right? They got a Thunderbolt sign on there, so. And they did bring back the two individuals, mic and headphones. Loving that. I could use a little bit more. USB ports, but that's okay. So now this phase of unboxing, I have my Alienware 15R3. I mean a 15R3 here, and we're going to lay this on top and see the size comparison. So thickness towards the front, not a really big deal, but as you can see, as you get towards the back, there's a big deal between there. So let's look from this angle. So yeah, there is a big thickness there. There is a difference there, for sure. What I'm really gonna miss is this one has Tron lights and this one does not. Okay, so you see from the top, let's line them up as good as possible. Okay, so we've got this to the corner here, so you can see how much bigger this is. Now, remember, this one's a 15-inch. The one down below, the Area 51M, that is a 17-inch. I wish it was a 19-inch that small. I'd be happy. I would say 17-inch screen on there. So that's a 17-inch laptop. So this is the end of the unboxing and my first impression and thoughts. So far, I am not displeased. We will be making more videos. There will be a temperature video, repasting video. There will be a benchmark video for numerous games. And anything else that y'all are curious about, let me know and I will provide the content. Thank you for coming by watching. Have a good one.
Holding no weapons, a point, no acting, no cap in my rap. I'm a street nigga actor, still sit in the trap. I got hustle compassion.